So finally, I ordered this a week ago off Amazon, and it finally arrived, and I want to scare the shit out of my roommate. Emmett, you up? You dressed? Come here, I gotta show you something really quick. The fuck? Alright, I got to work. Let's see if my cook is here. Let's scare the shit out of him. Oh my god, he's sleeping. It's perfect.
They should, the security guards should have them because...
Alright, so my best friend is in town from medical school, you know, and I'm gonna go pick him up. He doesn't know that I've moved out with our other friend, and we're gonna scare the shit out of him.
Bouncing?
Yeah, let's go, bro.
We're gonna chill at your house for a sec.
Get in the car. Oh, let me open the door. Say hello to the camera.
Yo, what's up, my buddy?
What's up, man?
Oh,
Long time no see.
Oh my god. Like, remember?
Hey, I'm here.
Okay, come on in, doors open.
Our friend Norman's coming in. I'm gonna prank him with the air horn. Get ready for this, guys.
Guys, if you like that video, please hit that like button and that subscribe button, and I will catch you on my next video.